I'm back on the mountain, man. And so I'm going to have to remove him from there and put him on my turntable. This set of wrinkles are probably not going to be showing at all, but I'm going to do them anyway because the fella's hat is going to be right and covering the whole thing. So, but I've still got to do the wrinkles just to make sure that I got myself covered as far as detail goes. I know it's really hard to see what I'm doing. Again, I'm going to put a little fold of leather shirt, just overflowing the tightness of the belt there, just to give it a little more authenticity. I'm going to have a little bunched up area of material right there. I'm going to have to reflect that in the bottom part of the underneath the belt, coming out from under the belt. I'm just checking to see how much of this is going to be covered up by the hat. Okay. Okay, I'm going to start working on the sleeve. I'm going to put him on the clay again just to make sure that the sleeve will be sitting on top of his rump of the horse. Okay, that part of the sleeve won't be. This part of the sleeve will be. Yeah, only part of that sleeve will be. All right, I've just fit the sleeve, the loose part of the sleeve, to fit like it's draping onto the back of the horse. And I just need to work that out before I continue on with his sleeve. All right. All right, I got the wrinkles somewhat worked out. Now I just got to fill in between them. I'm going to wait till I finish these sleeves before I put the fringe on, because I don't want to do anything that will put my hand near it, the fringe, before I'm done with everything. So, because I don't want to damage the work that goes into doing the fringe. Now, next time when I come in here, I'm going to lay him on his back on some foam. And in fact, I think I'll do that right now. I just wanted to make sure I got both sleeves about the same thickness or depth to them. Because if I don't, I can't have one sleeve thicker than another. And so that worked out just fine. All right, I'm going to put this foam pad down and then lay him on it. I think I'll so that I can work under his arms. You can see why I would have to, because they're really not well done. And it also gives me a chance to fill in under here where there's a lot of space that needs to be filled in. So we'll do that tomorrow. I'm going to stand him up next to the horse for now. I don't want to take a chance of leaving him. All right, he's getting there, and it won't be much longer working on him. I think I'm going to be able to finish him up in this week, and hopefully this whole piece will be to the point where I can set it aside and do something else. But it's looking good. I like the feel of the coat. I got more wrinkles that I'm going to do, but I'm going to do that in, after I get done with everything else. I've got some wrinkles that carry over onto the bottom part of his shirt or coat. I would call this a coat. And yeah, I'm happy with it. All right, everybody, have a great night. I'll see you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.